Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to show you how you can fix if your Roblox is randomly freezing and crashing on your computer. So you can try the following additional troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. So the first one that you can do is to check your system updates. So ensure that your operating system is up to date with the latest updates and patches. Sometimes system updates can fix compatibility issues and improve overall stability. Next one is to adjust virtual memory windows on virtual memory if you're using Windows. So if you're using Windows, you can go to your control panel and then go to your system and then click on the advanced system settings and then go to your performance settings. Then again go to your advanced and then lastly go to change, click on change. And then on there just uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives and set a custom size for the paging file. For example, like this. And then after that just click on set and then lastly click on OK. Next one is to scan for malware and viruses. So perform a full scan for malware and viruses using reliable antivirus software. So malware can cause system instability and impact Roblox performance. Next one is to disable hardware acceleration. So if you are using a web browser to play Roblox, try disabling hardware acceleration. So in the browser settings, find the hardware acceleration option and then turn it off. The next one is to adjust power settings. So for laptop users, make sure that your power settings are set to high performance when playing Roblox. So this ensures that your system doesn't throttle performance to save the battery life. Next one is to run Roblox in compatibility mode. So if you're using Windows, just right click on the Roblox shortcut or the launcher, then select on Properties and go to your Compatibility tab. And try running Roblox in compatibility mode for older version of Windows. So apply the changes and launch Roblox to see if it resolves the freezing and crashing. So remember that you can always pause this video or go back to the video and go about the processes or do the processes and the steps at your own pace. So let's get on and let's continue rather. So next one is to check for background software conflicts. So some software running in the background can interfere with Roblox. So check for any recent software installations or updates that might coincide with the start of the freezing or crashing issues. So try disabling or uninstalling such software to see if it makes a difference. Next one is to reinstall graphic drivers. So if updating graphics drivers didn't work, try completely uninstalling them and reinstalling the latest drivers for your graphics card. So use the official website of your graphics card manufacturer for the most up-to-date drivers. Next one is to run Roblox in a safe mode. Try launching Roblox in safe mode, which will load the game with minimal features and settings. So this can help identify if the issue is related to specific settings or external factors. And lastly, what you can do is to check the hardware temperature. So monitor your system's temperature using tools like MSI Afterburner or HW Monitor. Overheating can cause freezes and crashes, so ensure that your system's cooling is working correctly and if necessary, clean any dust from the internal components. So that is all for this video and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.